Hello, one more video here in our channel. Today I will cook, as you read there in title, I will cook chicken tinola. As you see, in Brazil it's already a bit cold. I think it's making like 12 degrees. Of course, I prefer the Romarico chicken tinola, but I will try to cook. So it's a Brazilian cooked chicken tinola. If you're not yet subscribed here in our channel, I talk about my relationship and my life together with one Filipino. That's why I'm cooking chicken tinola, okay? So let's start, and I hope that I know how to do. Last time, another YouTube that talk about food and these things, Filipino, they react my adobo, and I didn't put the datu pute, that is the vinegar, and even the regular vinegar I didn't put in my adobo because since we don't have, Romarico used to don't put also, and then I also didn't put, but it's very good my adobo. Yesterday I ate adobo, but today let's start the chicken tinola. So guys, I start peeling the garlic. So I will make it three garlic. I don't know how you call this in English. Because last time in my adobo they say that I don't even have a garlic to put in the adobo. I know the adobo, it's the base is the garlic, so I really don't have. I have like 2 pieces only. So today a lot of garlic. Now I will take half of the cebullas, one onion, whole onion. But of course I will not use all. And I tell you guys, I was thinking I don't have onion anymore. And then my recipe, it's down for sure. Because someone you tell, you didn't put onion. Yes, but I cut in the half and I will not use everything. So only half onion. I think I already too much. I don't like to really put a lot of onion. Anyway, this is I'm following some recipe, but the recipe of what I was following, it's a lot. This is the ginger. I put I don't know, half of this ginger, like, guys. Then I saw in the recipe that is papaya, green papaya. Guys, really, here in Brazil, only if I go somewhere and I take the tree, the green papaya. So I remember that Romarico used this one. We call here in Brazil chuchu. Look. Then I need to peel. It's not green papaya. This is what I'm gonna use rather than the green papaya that is in the recipe. Because, okay, I can make this, I know the ingredients of the tinola, but of how to prepare, I'm not sure. That's why I read, okay? And this one is spinach, okay? But this is the organic one. So it's not the long one. It's organic. This is what I found there. The only one I found in the supermarket. And chicken thigh. Oh, that's more juicy. Okay. So this is the ingredients I'm gonna use. So now let's prepare. Guys, another thing that I don't have, I have but I will not use because last time I don't feel good with this fish sauce. I have there, Romarico have. I don't know how to use and I don't like to use this. So I will cook the chicken tinola like this. So first oil. Let's put the garlic and the onion. Look guys, some burn, but I put already the ginger because they say for to fry the ginger together. Long time I want to cook this one, but I was waiting for the weather because it was not that, matching with the weather. And I know this one is like a soup, and it's a dish that it's good to eat when it's more, you know, it's more cold. And now the cold time really arrives. So guys, I will put already the chicken. I will not do that much because it's only for me. I will do like two. I will make like two chicken thighs. Chicken thigh. Okay, so I will leave a little bit covered in the medium fire. Now I'm gonna peel this one. I don't like, but I hate to peel that what is hard, you know, this kind of hard like pumpkin or something. I really don't like. I just know this one must to do this in the edge. My mom do, and Rico also. Even Rico is from Philippines. He teach me this one. I don't know why, but it's for to do. Look, can you see that is something white? So let's do it. Someone knows for what it serves? What I like to do is that while I'm cooking, I'm already washing. I don't really like to, you know, to keep like the dishes for later I fix and later I wash. So everything's already organized. Look, this one is already cut, and this one is to put later, these two. Now let's put the salt and the condiments in our chicken. So first the salt. Black pepper. And a little bit only of cominho. I have here some ginger powder. I will just add a little bit. This is garlic, onion, and salt, so I will add a little bit. Only like this, because I already put salt. I will close again. Guys, I think this is the main part, right? That you wash the rice, and then is with the water of the rice that you gonna cook the chicken tinola. So I hope I know how to do it. I'm not sure if it's how many times need to wash the rice, but I think I take all the rices, all the you know, all what I can to wash, and take the part of the rice. I think I'm gonna throw the first one. What you think, guys? I will throw. Okay, from now on, I will start to keep it. Look, this is the chicken. I'm not sure if it's like this, okay? I didn't check how to prepare really. But basically it's this, the water of the rice. And I will throw here. Since it's only few, I think this is enough. Or a little bit more. Okay. Guys, look. This is the tinola. I will let it cook now. And I will cook the rice also.
Living life every day.
Guys, this is my chicken tinola, look. I don't know if it's darker sufficient because I pre-washed the rice, but the first one I throw, remember? So I'm not sure if it's good or not. Now I will put the shushu for to cook together, or not yet. Maybe not yet, right? Guys, so now I will put guys, I will put a little bit more of salt because since I put the water of the rice, need to adjust the salt. And I love pepper, so I will put also pepper. Yeah, I love it. Soon it's ready. Guys, I know the pan is too small because I don't know it will be so full like this, but time to add this one, spinach. Guys, please comment down below if it's right, my recipe. Of course, I know I didn't use the green papaya, but it's okay, no problem. Important is soup, chicken, and ginger taste. And it's cold. So let's finish this. Guys, time to try my tinola. I just eat in front of you. So let's try it. Ah, I miss so much. Guys, okay, I fail again. Rather than I cook the white rice, that's like Filipino style, I make the yellow rice because I don't have any more. Yellow rice, it means like it's not sticky. It's a bit like basmati rice, something like this. So this is my rice from Brazil, and this is the only difference. But the rest, I think I did great, right? Tinola manok. So this is the rice. Look, it's not that sticky, but it's okay. I will separate. I do like Romarico because he always if you guys, I already cook adobo here. If you want, I will leave here down below in the description of the video. So that's the right time. Let me put like this, so it's better for you to see. It's good, guys. Very hot, not that salty because I also don't like, but it's tasty. And you can taste the ginger. The chicken is tender. Look, only with the can you see? With my spoon, I can cut this chicken. I'm almost sitting here because I want to show you my reaction with the food. Though. I'll take some rice. It's very good, guys. It's very good. Of course, it's otherwise. Look. Of course, it's like this, now. You take, then you put here, right? Then you eat. With this weather, very cold. It's amazing. Guys, amazing chicken tinola. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will eat before it get cold. I love it, really. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and thumbs up for me because I deserve. Bye, see you next video.